Welcome to Unit 6, Lesson 1. Congratulations, you got over the hump. From here on out, the book will become easier to digest because some of the concepts will be review of what you've already learned, particularly this next unit, which is all about the key of E minor. And the basic idea between minor keys and major keys, I always like to say they're the same, only different. And what I mean by that is if the best analogy I can give you is if you were to have a bag of Scrabble tiles, and let's say your Scrabbles could have an F sharp in it. If you had the little Scrabble tiles G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G, if you just arrange them in that order on your Scrabble board, you have a G major scale. If you simply ordered them starting on E, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, you would have an E minor scale. If you gathered up all the Scrabble tiles and put them in a little bag, you could say this bag represents either the key of G or the key of E minor. E minor is what we call the relative minor key of G major. So it's the same 7 Scrabble tiles or same 7 notes. It's just what order we play them in. And therefore the chords are going to be the same too as they were in the key of G major. So you're not going to learn, you might learn one new chord, but for the most part they're going to be the same chords, but they're going to function differently. So first of all, let's review what's going on here in Lesson 1, which is simply just the scales. So in the key of G, again, the notes are starting on G, going alphabetically, we're playing G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. So one of the things we say about the key of G is it has 1 sharp and it's F sharp. The key of E minor has the exact same notes. We just start on E to make it an E minor, or better yet, E natural minor scale. There are different kinds of minor scales. If we say the key of E minor, we don't have to say the key of E natural minor. It's just assumed to be that. But the actual scale is called a natural minor scale, and so it would sound like this. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. And you'll notice it has a little sadder kind of sound. I'll play it again, a little faster. As opposed to a major scale, same 7 notes, just starting on G and ending on G. So that's the idea of the relative minor key. It's the same notes as the major key. It has the same key signature. In this case, 1 sharp, which is F sharp. It just is a matter of whether we call E the first note of the key or G the first note of the key. Same 7 notes, 2 different scales, same only different. Confusing enough? I find most people are confused by this concept, but that's okay. Just accept it. Same 7 notes, different order, and you'll be fine. We'll see you at Lesson 2 where we'll learn the new chords in a different way. Okay, practice.